Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Sabrina Carpenter's Met Gala look on Dress to Impress. I'm going to remove everything except for the pieces that I use the accessory adjustment on because I don't remember everything. So I'm going to just remove almost everything here like so. Okay. So for the hair, I used this one, and these are the accessory adjustments that I used. Position Z at 0.57 and scale at 0.62. Then for the hair, I used this one, but only bangs, and I just colored it blonde. And then for the other hair, I used this one, and I just colored it blonde without any accessory adjustment. Then for the fit, we are going to use this super long coat, and we're going to color it all this color. So it's 421D1D, and we're just going to color that all for this coat. Then we're going to use this coat as well, color everything except for the buttons. We are just going to make them silver, and we're going to add the foil texture to that, like so. Then for the fit, we are going to use the Sabrina Carpenter bodysuit, which is here somewhere. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Toggle it to the second one, turn up the kiss, and make that matte. Color it the same color, and then the second color, color it your skin tone. For the necklace, I used this one, like for the chains, I guess, in like a gray color, like a silver color, I guess. For like the white color, I used the scarf in white, and these are the accessory adjustments that I used. So position it at Y 0.68 and Z at 0.66. And for the shoe, I did use a VIP one. If you don't have it, you can just use normal shoes, but these are kind of similar to the one Sabrina has on. I just colored it this color. I made it a little bit darker though because her shoes do look darker in the photo. So it's 2C1313. And then I just colored everything the same color as the shoes. And that is it. That is how you can recreate Sabrina Carpenter's Met Gala look on Dress to Impress. Let me know if you want a face tutorial. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.